Here, resting at a 15-degree angle, is the rough outline of a large SUV. Marine life has
easy now. Watch the port side clearance. Clear on port. Keep it coming down. She's down. All right, secure the starboard chain. Blocks in place.
The side profile documentation reveals the true extent of the corrosion after years underwater. As you can see, the handle is completely fused. Even after brushing away some debris, the mechanism is totally unresponsive.
Look at the stress fractures running along this channel.
The corrosion has nearly eaten through the antenna mount right here.
The marine growth has completely overtaken the suspension components here.
And the corrosion on the fuel tank is critical.
As you can see, the steering column is completely compromised. The corrosion has eaten through the structural supports, allowing the wheel to spin freely.
Pull it up slowly. Easy, easy. Watch the chains. Almost there. Hold it steady. Watch the clearance on that side. Is this the right spot for the scaffold? Lock it there. Look at this section here. It's completely eaten through.
Yeah.
The structural integrity is definitely compromised.
The structural integrity around the B-pillar is severely compromised.
We'll need to brace that section before we attempt to move it.
Right here at the seat mounting points, there's nothing left. And the transmission tunnel corrosion is severe enough to compromise the whole structure.
Look at the corrosion on this rocker panel. It's completely shot.
Yeah, we'll need to note that in the report. The floor pan is rusted through too. We're measuring the extent of the damage now. This primary hole is 6 inches. As I press here, you can see the metal is completely compromised.
This metalwork is flawless. Excellent integration on the quarters.
Confirmed. The floor pan is solid and continuous.
Scene 55, primer application. The painter ensures proper overlap, guaranteeing uniform coverage and corrosion protection for the panel. During disassembly, the heavy corrosion makes every...
The milling machine makes precise passes across the engine block deck, removing a thin layer of metal to ensure a perfectly flat surface.
Assembling the rotating mass involves securing the connecting rods to the crankshaft journals, ensuring every bolt is torqued precisely to specification.
The reconditioned head features a precisely machined deck surface. New valves, springs, and retainers are installed, and the...
Okay, bring it down slowly. Almost there. Watch the dowel pins. Seats confirmed.
Looks good to go.
Confirmed.
We start by laying out the new components. The fresh powder coating and upgraded hardware are essential for a comprehensive suspension restoration. The assembly is methodical. New polyurethane bushings and ball joints are installed, ensuring the suspension meets factory standards. We secure the new harness with retaining clips and zip ties, ensuring all multi-pin connectors are properly seated in their respective junction blocks.
Okay, easy now, watching the rear mount.
Coming down steady. Center bushing is clear.
Yep. Looks aligned, set her down.
All right, open it up again. Let's see the alignment. Better.
We can pull that orange shim now and tighten the hinge bolts.
All right, lift your side up a bit.
Got it.
Does that line up? Perfect.
Torque is set on this side.
Power engaged, sliding forward, back to center. Tilt adjust properly, looks good.
Verified.
Make sure you press firmly along that seam.
Right here?
Yes, keep it tight. Looks good.
She's alive. We did it, sounds perfect.
Tire pressures look good. We're all clear back here.
Hood secured.
Copy that. Ignition sequence initiated.
After countless hours of work, the transformation is complete. What was once lost beneath the waves is now better than new.